Hello my YouTube people. You want to take the rocker arm shaft out of the rocker arm, and the way to do that is to press it out this way. This would be the right side of the engine, so you're going to push from left side to right side. I just use a long 3/8 extension, put it right here, and I'm going to tap it with a hammer. You can see it's already starting to go down. Once I get it out about this far, once I have it about here, I just hold the shaft, and there it is. This is a video on how to check the clearance of your rocker arms and your rocker arm shafts. And this video pertains to all Evos twin cam up to 2017. It also includes XL Sportsters from 96 on. So if you can see, this shaft has a little bit of wear on it. You can't really feel that wear, and there's wear there. So first you want to do is get a micrometer, and you want to come here and check the diameter of this shaft. And right at the wear spot, so you can see there, it's 0.552. Now you also can just check a spot on the shaft where nothing rides out here and see that that's 0.553.5. So right there, I already know that that shaft has 1.5 thousandths wear. Next thing I do is I get a bore gauge and I come down, and you can see that these primarily wear on one spot on each one of these bushings. So for the video, I'm just going to check this one bushing. I put it down in there, and then I rock it through. It was tight, and I pretty much already had it adjusted. Then I come over here and mic that, and that comes up 0.557. So 0.557 minus 0.552 is equal to 5 thousandths clearance. So if you look right here in the Harley service manual, it says that the shaft bushing fit loose should be 0.5 thousandths to 2 thousandths, and I'm at 5 thousandths. And then in this section it says the service wear limit rocker arm shaft fit and bushing loose is 3.5 thousandths. So anything over 3.5 thousandths is completely out of spec, and you can see that these are completely out of spec. Now I'll check a brand new one and show you what that looks like. I got these out of Drag Specialty. The drag part number for these are DS193833, and that's for the front intake and the rear exhaust. And the other part number for these are DS193834, and that's for the front exhaust and the rear intake. The rocker arm shaft part number is 203653. It also has this other number on them, 90-4063. Here's the new parts, and the shaft has a little bit of coating on it that I'm going to have to clear, but they fit very tight. Now I'll mic the shaft, and this shaft comes up 0.554. Now I'll mic the bushing, and that comes up 0.555. So 0.555 minus 0.554, obviously it's 1 thousandths clearance, well within spec. That's how you check the clearance in the bushing between the rocker arm and the rocker arm shafts. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks.